Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can view logs on Arch Linux. Now there's different tools and different ways we can view logs. So let's go ahead and look at the commands for viewing the logs. Now the primary tool or the main tool, since Arch Linux is using systemd, the main tool to view logs is journalctl. So the command is journalctl. And then with this command there's different options you can add to it. For instance, if you wanted to add explanations for log messages, you can add -x, and then if you wanted to jump to the end of the logs, you can add e, and that should allow you to view the logs. Now if you wanted to view the logs in real time, you can use journalctl -f, and this will show you logs as they come in. Any new logs that come in, you'll be able to view them here. Okay, and this one, if you wanted to view logs that are specific to a given service, such as SSH, you could say journalctl -u sshd. That should show you logs that are specific to SSH or SSHD. For instance, here I'm seeing there was a session, SSHD session, from a user, and from what IP address? From this user, from this IP address, and the port number. Okay, moving on. We can also filter logs by time. Let's look at an example here. So if you just wanted to view logs since the last 1 hour, you can say journalctl since, then quotations here, 1 hour ago, and that should show you just logs from 1 hour ago. Okay, let's look at another option here. If you wanted to view kernel logs, you can just do -k, and that should show you only kernel logs. If you wanted to see boot logs, you can say journalctl. You can say journalctl -b, and that should show you those logs. And let's say you wanted to export your logs to a file, you can just do journalctl and send this to a specific file. Just put the file name here, and this is the file. So this is gonna just send or copy all the logs to that file. I can say cat logs, and I will see all the logs. Okay. Another way to check logs is to look at specific log files that are for specific services, which can be found under /var/log. So if we cd to var ls, you should be able to see some of the log files for some of the services. For instance, here we have xrdp.log, and you can do ls just to see what's available here. We have last log, and then we have this one. Let's see if we can view any of this. If I say cat xrdp.log, let's try sudo and I'm able to view right here. Okay, now we also have here pacman.log. These are logs specific to the packet manager, and we can do, let's try cat pack, and we're able to view them. So that's pretty much it. Those are the two different ways you can view logs on Arch Linux. And like I said, the main tool is journalctl. You can view pretty much most of the logs you want. You can use the options. You can also filter, and actually I can say You can even use grep here. You can say journal CTL, and you can grep, let's say, SSHD, and that should also show you logs specific to SSH. So that's all for this video. That's how you can view logs on Arch Linux. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.